Okay, well, obviously number one for me is my commercial tax rate. With the rates that you can charge tenants today and the taxes you have to pay, it becomes very, very hard for a small business to cash flow an office building in Arizona. In fact, it's difficult for even large businesses to cash flow. We see many of our commercial structures that are underwater. But I got this on Saturday. Very interesting. Delinquent tax notice. And so I'm in a panic. I mean, I'm a CPA. I still keep my license current. Like, what the heck could I have done to have delinquent taxes? I paid what was owed. Scramble, I open this thing up on my office building, and I have a delinquent tax of $3.95. Of which, what happens if I don't pay this? A lien on my building. So, I'm just ticked. And we've got a great treasurer. I like our Maricopa County treasurer. But really, $3.95, and I could possibly lose my office building. I thought, how timely that I got that on Saturday before I come down to the Gilbert Small Business Alliance. So that is my number one issue. Now, I'm not a manufacturer. I'm a services company, so I don't have the same issue as those that have the personal property tax or the business equipment. But easily a second issue, because if you are there's a reason that we're not a strong manufacturing state. I lived in Detroit for 2 years, and our tax structure does not support manufacturing when it comes to the equipment. And so between the high tax we charge on the building itself and then the tax we charge on the equipment inside, makes it very difficult for a business to want to relocate here if they're a manufacturing facility. And in fact, the main reason we've gotten some of the big boys that we have is we cut a special deal for them and give them their own tax rate. So those would easily be my two biggest. Appreciate that, Richard.